Hello, notebook and fountain pen people. This is Joe with Ink&Iron, and today I'm going to show you how to take a hardcover sewn-bound notebook from, this is like fresh, brand new notebook, and make it lay a little bit flatter, more open, a little bit easier to write on. This is going to be especially important using the journal at the front or the back. You can see these pages really kind of lift up, and you're gonna have to like press them down and write on the other side, whereas this one, now that it's all worked out, will just lay open and just await your every word. Alright, so we're gonna zoom out and I'm gonna show you how to achieve this effect. It's pretty simple. Okay, so the first step is going to be flexing out the covers. You want them to lay flat. Make sure you can push them down against your work surface. In my case, it's my desk. Front and back. The front seems to be a little bit more willing to lay open at the moment, and hopefully we can put a little bit of give in this binding, and the back will then lay flat. So what I like to do is take 3 pages, oops, get this out of here, take 3 pages, just press it open, 1, 2, 3, just really spread those pages, make sure we're getting as much of a gap in between the pages as possible, and yeah, you just do this 3 pages at a time, working front to back to front again, and so on until you reach the middle. And I'm just gonna cut to the point where I actually reach the middle, spread it out, and then we will check again how flat this is laying open. And we can tell this is a sewn binding because of the stitches that we will start coming across. So that is actually something I like to see. Oh, that's weird. There's a torn page. Oh well. I'll see you when we reach the middle. There's another torn page. See that? That's very strange. I'm not sure why that keeps happening. Okay, and we have reached the middle. I've got 4 pages left here, so I'm just gonna spread them out, gently push them flat, and I was kind of expecting to reach another stitched portion in the middle, but it's possible I miscounted at some point. But yeah, look at that. It's laying wide open, perfect for writing. I don't have to hold my hand on the one side and write with the other. This is, oh yeah, that's very nice. It's gonna make writing with a fountain pen even better in this notebook. This technique, by the way, will work best for hardcover journals, notebooks, and books. I probably wouldn't recommend using it on, you know, a perfect binding like this where it's just pages and a strip of glue holding the book or journal together. That may give you a lot of like spine cracking, like you can see this is getting worn. So yeah, I would stick to hardcover for this technique, but once you kind of work out your journal, it should lay flat, assuming that everything is put together well. Alright, so that was the quick tip of the day. Happy writing, and for more content you can follow me on Instagram, like, share, subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next video.